Our top story this morning, a high-profile rave party has been busted on a ship along the Arabian Sea near Mumbai. As per NCB Chief and Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede, Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan was also present on the cruise. He is currently being questioned by the NCB after being detained. According to the NCB sources, Aryan Khan's phone has been seized. Officials are going through his chats as of now. The NCB has also summoned 6 party organizers for questioning. The ship's owner has also been called in. According to exclusive details accessed by India Today, another high-profile person called Arbaz brought Aryan Khan to the cruise. NCB has in fact recovered drugs from Arbaz's shoes. So far, 8 people have been arrested in connection with the case. The drug agency has, however, released 2 others after detaining them. Sources have told India Today that the rave party was organized by a Delhi-based company called Namaskray.
कुछ लोगों को इंटरसेप्ट किया है हमने और उनकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू है अभी कुछ भी कहना इट विल बी वेरी प्रीमैच्योर। मैं कोई कमेंट नहीं करूंगा इस बारे में भी। प्लीज हाँ, ड्रग हैज बीन रिकवर्ड और कि ये सब मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगा आपको। आई विल प्रॉपरली इशू एंड
सर, कितने लोगों को ताबीब लिया गया है?
8 से 10 जनों को अभी वी आर इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग देम। थैंक यू।
एक्टर के लड़के का नाम आ रहा है सर।
कोई सेलिब्रिटी भी है?
कोई इस बारे में कमेंट नहीं।
People still come in buses with people still come in, but some people just turning back home. But there is a big line, there is a lot of police, so they're trying to make people go on one line. But so much fight was inside, it's like, my God, crazy.
There are reports coming that the drugs were found being consumed on the cruise. Do you have any information about it? Hence, because you were inside.
Oh, of course, no. I heard this was so much police, but drugs was found inside somewhere in the cruise. Yeah. Outside, I didn't see.
Of course, cheating है। उन्होंने मिस ऑर्गेनाइज करा था। पैथेटिक सर्विस है, हमसे पैसे लिए हुए हैं।
ड्रग्स पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज की थी, रेव पार्टी अंदर चल रही थी।
नहीं, ऐसे कुछ स्पेशली ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं करा था। कौन ऐसे ऑर्गेनाइज करके बुलाता है? ऑब्वियसली
चीटिंग हुआ आपके साथ? क्योंकि
ऑब्वियसली चीटिंग हुआ है। हमारे पैसे लिए और हमें एक्सपीरियंस भी नहीं दिया। हम इतने दूर से आए हैं।
In what is seen as the biggest crackdown on drug menace in Mumbai, the NCB team raided a cruise and recovered drugs. They have also detained 7 to 8 people, and over the night, these people were questioned on how these drugs were procured. There were some known people amongst those who have been detained. We'll have to wait and see whether NCB registers a case against them, arrests them, and also arrests the peddlers who had supplied the drug on the cruise. With camera person Raju Revankar and Ejaz Khan, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.
My colleague Devesh Singh is now joining me live from outside the NCB office in Mumbai. Devesh, what are your sources telling you in terms of the investigation which is ongoing? What more can you share with us at present?
Follow me. As of now, 8 persons have been apprehended. 8 persons, the process of taking them for medical tests before they are officially taken into arrest, under arrest and taken to court, produced in court, has been initiated by Narcotics Control Bureau officials. Aryan Khan remains detained by the NCB. He is being examined. He is being questioned by the NCB officials right now. While there are summons issued to multiple persons, multiple organizers who were part of this cruise liner, who had organized this particular event on the cruise liner. There are various foreign nationals who are also under scanner of NCB, who are being examined by NCB. Drugs have been recovered. Drugs like cocaine, hashish, MDMA, mephedrone have been recovered by Narcotics Control Bureau officials. So this particular operation, remember, was planned on a specific tip-off received by NCB's Zonal Director Sameer Wankhede. The tip-off was received, as per our sources, day before yesterday, following which NCB officials communicated with CISF officials and then posing as passengers entered on this cruise liner. They went on board this cruise liner, waited for a few hours and then began their operation, then began search in particular area of this cruise liner. Drugs were found on few people and in the luggage that was being carried by some of the persons who've been apprehended by NCB. Other than that, there are various other suspects who've been put to medical tests using the portable NDPS kits. They are being checked, and only after it was verified that those suspects hadn't consumed any kind of drugs, some were allowed to go, while some remain detained and they are being examined, including Aryan Khan, son of Bollywood actor Shah Rukh Khan, at the NCB office right now.
Right, Devesh, stay on with us because we'll come back to you. Now, the luxury liner, which was raided by the Narcotics Control Bureau, has in fact come out blaming its high-profile passengers. The president and CEO of Cordelia Cruises, Jürgen Ballum, has washed his hands off the drug bust. He has issued a statement saying that the narcotics department found drugs in some passengers' luggage. According to him, those passengers were offloaded by Cordelia immediately. The party was organized on board Cordelia Cruises' Empress ship from October 2nd to October 4th. The luxury liner prohibited use of drugs in its official communication to passengers. It was to be a quote-unquote musical voyage with 100 tickets on sale. The rest of the passes were distributed directly by the organizers. My colleague Devesh continues to be live with us. Devesh, the CEO of Cordelia Cruises has of course issued a statement washing his hands off the entire drugs bust, saying passengers carried drugs. We officially communicated to all passengers who were to board the cruise liner that there are to be no drugs that are to be carried on board. So it is not for them to be answerable, but the NCB is going to question the owner and some of the event organizers as well.
Yes, Paulomi, the event organizers have already been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, and owner of the cruise is also under scanner because it was on their property that this rave party was organized and drugs were found. So they are also under scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau and will be examined by the NCB officials who are probing this particular case. Remember, NCB has already registered this case and various people, various suspects are under scanner, are being examined by NCB officials. Summons have already been issued to some of the event organizers who are not present in Mumbai. They have been summoned and called to Mumbai, while there are other the owners of this particular cruise liner which just began operations 2 weeks ago, but since then there were tickets being sold for this particular musical party, as you pointed out. That was musical event that was being organized on board this cruise liner named Cordelia. So this was a major event. There were a number of tickets that were being sold. There were several people who had come to board this ship, to board this cruise liner, but it was unfortunate that there was a rave party that was being organized by some of the event organizers on board this cruise liner. Acting on a tip-off, NCB conducted this massive operation and they have already apprehended 8 people, including some women, while Aryan Khan remains under scanner. He is right now being examined with a few other suspects at the Narcotics Control Bureau office right behind me. Follow me.
That's right. Devesh, thank you so much for all of those details. We'll of course keep coming back to you because there are fast-paced developments that are happening in this ongoing investigation which is being carried out by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Let's now focus on exclusive details that our reporters have gathered to us in relation to last night's crackdown on the drug party. Our reporters are telling us that they've learnt that a person called Arbaz brought Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan to that rave party. Arbaz was hiding drugs in his shoes. Another Bollywood superstar's son, who is a DJ, was also present on board this cruise liner. A total of 600 high-profile people were present at that rave party. Most of the passengers came from the national capital, Delhi. The rave party was in fact held at mid-sea. The NCB raided the ship soon after the party began to catch people red-handed, in order to catch them red-handed. But there were also foreign artists and high-profile DJs attending the rave party, is what our sources are telling us. And the tickets of this cruise liner in fact ranged from 60,000 to a whopping 5 lakh rupees to board it and attend the party. The inside details that India Today has accessed as far as this investigation is concerned. The first thing, the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, received a tip-off about the possible drugs party on a ship. It received a tip-off. The NCB team then disguised itself as passengers who then boarded that ship, which of course is now being investigated, and the owner will be called in as well. The rave party in fact began as soon as the ship left the Mumbai coast. That is what the NCB is telling us. The NCB team in fact swung into action as the ship reached mid-sea of the Mumbai coast. The NCB then conducted raids for 7 long hours on that cruiser ship. The Bollywood superstar's son has been detained among others. He's currently only being questioned, as my colleague Devesh was saying. 4 types of drugs have been seized from that party, which was busted by the NCB. So currently that investigation is on. Right, so those are the details of that investigation, which is currently underway at the NCB's office in Mumbai. How exactly did the Narcotics Control Bureau pull off this mega drug bust, all this while hiding on that cruise in plain sight? This is what we're learning at the moment. The Narcotics Control Bureau was already aware of this luxury cruise party. They in fact set up an elaborate trap, and the operation began on October 2nd at around 1 p.m. About 25 NCB officials were present on the cruise undercover, disguised as passengers, and they stopped this cruise just before it got to the middle of the sea and began the search operation. What followed was an elaborate 7-hour-long raid. According to the Narcotics Control Bureau, all suspects, as per the information, were searched, and various drugs like MDMA/ecstasy, cocaine, MD and charas were recovered. The NCB has also said that the investigation is currently underway and 8 to 10 people are currently being questioned. 6 organizers of the cruise party have also been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So these are some of the details which are emerging from that ongoing investigation. That investigation being currently conducted at the Narcotics Control Bureau office in Mumbai's Ballet Pier. This cruise liner was busted by the NCP last night. A 7-hour-long raid ensued, after which 8 people at least were detained. They are currently being questioned inside the NCP. Medical examination will also be conducted in a while from now. The owner of the ship and some of the events organizers, the party organizers, will also be called in for questioning.